Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, that is part 69. So let us see exactly what it has been given in the part 69. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find up to part 68, which are very useful for all central government examinations and defense and paramilitary examinations. So let us see what it has been given. The Indian Prime Minister who never faced the Parliament during his tenure. We knew that every Prime Minister should attend the Parliament during his tenure. That is Chaudhary Charan Singh. He was the one, he had never attended the Parliament in his tenure. So he was such a short period he was there. Bronchitis is the abnormality of respiratory act. We knew that whoever has got the dust allergy, those people start having the respiratory disorders. That is known as acute bronchitis. If they consume ghee and oily food, then directly affects their respiratory tract. Even for those people, the coronavirus is very dangerous for them. Here bronchitis is abnormality concerning to what? Respiratory tract. Bishop is the term related to what? That is chess. We knew that there are few terminologies in chess, that is checkmate, camel, elephant and bishop. There are various things you have to remember. Ali Akbar Khan is concerning to the he was a great artist in Sarod. As you can see how exactly the Sarod instrument looks like. Ali Akbar Khan, he is very famous for the instrument of Sarod. You should remember Amzad Ali Khan is also a famous Sarod player. The music in Satyajit Ray's Patar Panchali is composed by Ravi Shankar. Please remember, Satyajit Ray was the first person to receive the Oscar and he had given a good music in Patar Panchali and it was composed by Ravi Shankar. Ravi Shankar had composed in his movie Patar Panchali. Ravi Shankar had given that music. Bangal Mati Banglar Jal was written by Rabindranath Tagore during the time of anti-partition movement. Please remember, during the time of Bengal division, that anti-partition movement, during that time Rabindranath Tagore had written in Bengali language, that is Bangal Mati Banglar Jal. That is the one which had been written. So that was written by the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Kalol was directed by Utpal Datta. Please remember, Kalol was directed by Utpal Datta. Aristophanes is regarded as the father of comedy. So we have to remember Aristophanes, which is regarded as the father of comedy. As you can see to the right side how the picture looks like. Why is Aristophanes called the father of comedy? So that is the one you have to remember. Birbal was the pen name of Pramatha Chaudhary. Please remember, the pen name of Birbal is for the Pramatha Chaudhary. Next we have Hayavadana is a play by Girish Karnad. So whatever the play of Girish Karnad, that is Hayavadana. Next we have the Parasuram is the pen name of Gauranga Prasad Basu. So whatever the pen names Birbal as well as we have here Parasuram, it is a pen name of Gauranga Prasad Basu. Edward Lear was the author of a book of nonsense. As you can see to the right side, the book name is The Book of Nonsense, which was written by Edward Lear. Alexander the Great Macedonia invaded India at the time of Mahapadmananda. He had come to India in 1498 at Ohind. Alexander has come to India for the invasion during the time of Mahapadmananda. Pulakesin II was the greatest ruler of the Chalukya dynasty. That is, we knew that he was the famous among all the Chalukya empire. Vatapi was the capital to them and Pulakesin II was the greatest among all. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join on defense ICT telegram. More than 800 plus question papers have been given. You can directly go through how it has been segregated. Next we have Chowth was the land revenue collected in during the time of Maratha territory. At that time, Chowth had been collected. Sir Thomas Roe was a British ambassador to the court of Jahangir. Please remember, the British ambassador Sir Thomas Roe has come during the time of Jahangir. The permanent settlement of land revenue was introduced in Bengal by Lord Cornwallis. As you can see to the right side how exactly the slide has been given. He introduced a revenue system in the states of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa known as permanent settlement. This was a pact made with the Jamindars who collected revenue from peasants and handed over a fixed amount to the Britishers. So this permanent settlement had been introduced by Lord Cornwallis. The early Aryans were the worshippers of the different forces of nature. So we knew that whoever the early Aryans, they were the worshippers of the different forces of nature. Next we have Alexander the Great of Greece who invaded India in the year 326 BC, died at Babylon. This is what exactly you have to remember. Alexander the Great of Greece who invaded India in the year 326 BC died at the place known as Babylon. Please remember, it's a good bit. The principal French factory in Bengal was at Chandrinagar. So whatever the main factory of French in Bengal was located at Chandrinagar. The doctrine of lapse was initiated by the Lord Dalhousie. During his time, the doctrine of lapse had been initiated by Lord Dalhousie himself. A planet on which the life of some kind of conceivable is Mars. We knew that as we have the same features of the Earth, the same you will find in the Mars also. That is the reason scientists started doing the experiments to settle few humans in the Mars. The same nature it has got. The interior of the moon is probably of solid nature. The Pataliputra was the capital of Magadha Empire. Please remember, Magadha's capital was Pataliputra. Mahavira, he is the 24th Tirthankara and the last Tirthankara amongst Jains. He was died at the place Pavapuri. As you can see to the right side how exactly the Pavapuri looks like. Megasthenes, who had come to India during the time of Chandragupta Maurya, was the Greek ambassador, came to the Pataliputra. So he has come to the Pataliputra during the time of Chandragupta Maurya. The name of the Brahmin king of Sindh at the time of the Arab conquest was, he was a Brahmin king during the time of Arab conquest, Dahir. Dahir was the Brahmin king. Al-Biruni, the Muslim scholar, came to India along with the Sultan Mahmud. Please remember, Al-Biruni has come to India during the time of, along with the Sultan Mahmud, he has come. The Deccan ulcer refers to the inglorious Deccan campaign of Aurangzeb. Please remember, the Deccan ulcer, that refers to the inglorious Deccan campaign of Aurangzeb. The British factory at Sutanoti was established by Job Charnock. So whatever the British factory which was at Sutanoti was established by Job Charnock. As you can see to the right side, Job Charnock established the first English factory at Calcutta. So which is located at Sutanoti, which is in Calcutta. The Young Bengal movement is associated with the name of Derezzo. This is one thing. Whatever the Young Bengal movement, that is concerning to the Derozio. The Universal Grants Commission was not a constitutional commission. Please remember, whatever the UGC, Universal Grants Commission, it was not a constitutional commission. The recommendations of the Finance Commission are submitted to the President. We knew that whatever the recommendations of the Finance Commission, they are submitted to the President. Next we have the term civil services was as you can see, civil services in India under the East India Company. This what you have to remember. The term civil services was by the East India Company. These are the few questions I compiled, guys. This is my mobile number 7667300252. You can call me or message me if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS for a free of cost. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.